Well, we've left Ceduna this morning, heading down to Streaky. We've got a weather window just for today. Then we've got a week of some pretty strong winds, so we're tucking in down there.
Gotta get our boosters.
And booster shots tomorrow, so for COVID. So we're heading into Adelaide and we're sure to pick it up there, so give ourselves the best shot. We've got a reef in the main, just because we're rocking side to side and just taking a bit of stress off the rig. Not that it's anything too windy. And we're zooming along beautifully. It's 6.5, 7 knots.
Just arriving at Streaky Bay.
Blowing a go. So we're in the shell at Streaky Bay, and they've got a replica here of a great white shark. See, it's only got a small mouth. What are you worrying about?
It's only a small shark.
So how big's that? If you stand next to it, Pete?
300 kilos.
Oh, geez, that's a baby. Because that one in the dining room was 1,000 kilo. That's what we need. The southern rock lobster. Oh, Calypso star, see? Trying to convince them to do the shark cage. I thought you were reading the record shark catch. I've never seen them. Look at the size nipper on that.
That's too shallow. Ribbon weeds up and you can't walk through because there's razorfish. So the boys are taking the tender out and they're going to pick us up on the jetty. Quite content there?
Yeah, I'm just listening to all the prattling on about.
I was thinking of all the bullshit.
I was being polite.
Oh, it's just there. Oh, that's so cool. I am. They're just there. Look how clear it is. That is awesome. I'm wanting to play. Oh, look at him. That is so awesome. Jeez. Oh, sorry. She is. Oh, just stop. She's found something. I don't know, she's found something she's trying. She is badass, that one. Yeah. What's the depth?
1.2.
Oh, not much below the keel. She's playing. Look at her. Yeah, they're laying on her side. Yeah. So we got no chance of getting fish because we got some beautiful dolphins swimming around. Yummy! Look at that. That's disgusting.
Mum was saying that, oh, there's some Italians in Port Pirie, they eat all that. They kind of get a bit drunk after.
Don't tip it in my thingy though. Jeez, I thought you were going to just put it right over here, Robert. I'm like, my God. That's that mussel that you're talking about, which is like a scallop.
So all that just for that little piece there, which they use.
You got a fish?
Oh, look at the size of that shark.
Oh, yes,
Who said there was no sharks here?
Oh,
I got a shark. Are you kidding me?
Oh,
Is that like a baby great white?
jeez.
It's an annoying little
No,
bastard.
is that a baby
Don't you
great
tangle my
white?
line, you prick. I'll be very unhappy.
You want the baseball bat?
No,
Let's give it a headache.
jeez, it hasn't done anything wrong.
Oh,
look,
he is
that's
so
a baby great white
tiny.
if ever I seen one.
Hasn't got teeth. It's a gummy.
Not yet.
Look at him. He's so tiny.
You know, babies don't have teeth to begin with.
Right, stop it.
Don't
Right.
hurt him.
Don't hurt him. You want to put your finger in his mouth? I'll take the hooks
You
out.
just said no teeth.
You want to put your finger in his mouth then?
Why?
Can you
Like,
Like a little gummy shark.
let's have a look at him.
Well, you want some sunlight, get you better colours.
Trying.
He's got quivers.
Oh, he's not happy.
Yeah,
He's
put him back,
scared.
put him back.
Oh, look at the poor thing. He's tiny.
he looks like a blue-tongued lizard at the top.
Yeah. But he's got no teeth. There's no teeth in there. There's no teeth. So that's only a gummy shark.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh, it's going to give him a headache.
I'll tell you what, I thought I had a good whiting.
Yeah.
I was getting excited. I thought for a moment I was going to be punching the air for joy. I'll be asking for the trophy.
We've had weeks of wind, so it's actually really nice to have no wind for a while. And it's whiting. Fishing time. Aiming for some whiting. Come on, Wendy. Show the boys up. Hey, Pete, you got to...
Funnier than that.
Come on.
Very upsetting. Oh, this is an effort. I'm going to run to the other side. I'm handicapped.
Oh,
Hey, can you make me a coffee?
oh, nice. Might have to get a bigger bucket. Trying to find anywhere to fish.
What, son?
Oh, good. You just got to get them in.
I can see it biting it. Yes, he's got one.
All right, I want you to see you get that off.
You're not funny, Joe.
It is, it's entertaining, and I need to actually have some entertainment.
Just don't get a hook.
He's ready.
Sorry, not this time.
I missed the last one. I missed it. Look. Come on, come, you got to chase him down. You got to hunt him, see if you can get him. Oh, you go for the rag. I liked it when you didn't before.
What's the matter, Karen? You.
That's a whiting.
There's no measuring that one. Yeah. You're up. Yeah. They're blue and brown. I was always told blue was boy. Alright.
Oh, hang on. Oh, look at that. How cute's that?
Alright. You got some video?
Oh, it's videoing.
Alright.
His thing flapping.
You're saying hello. It's like Nemo. Alright, you ready? Good to go?
Alright, put him back. Yeah, the mate's gone down. They're not sure what they're doing. One started. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, look at them. There they go. Yeah, they're all joined in now. Beautiful. Totally different cliff lines than we're used to for a while. Yeah. Where are you off to? Check out the bottom.
He's killing me.
Killing you?
He's killing me.
Well, I was waiting for you to get in first.
All we're hearing is complaining. I thought that's what they wanted to do. It's like you're being tortured.
Thing hooked onto you, Chris.
My what?
Tank bag. It looks like it's sinking.
My what?
Tank bag.
The catch bag, is it connected?
Yeah, I got the clip. And I got the rope. It's off.
Oh, least you can dive for it.
We'll go down there and get it. You ready? Yeah.
Great knot. Oh, nice. Thanks, Pete.
That's a bit odd.
There's a boat in the way. Small problem. Very good. Alright. Very good. It's beautiful and clear.
Okay, ladies.
Oh, what's here? There, stingray, just right there.
Just there.
Good. Push you out.
Got everything? No, I think I can reverse from here.
I don't need thongs.
She's going to be
Only
fun.
because I want to keep it apart. Something slapped. Oh,
Was it?
slapped around my feet.
I can't see. No, there's nothing. I can't see.
Flounder or something. Oh, come on, you're a hardcore Streaky Bay chick. Is that what it is? Yeah, it's got
Gotta get it.
Finally! All day!
You like a drink?
Are there any more mint biscuits in the fridge?
It needs a back massage too while you're at it.
Actually, I need a wee.
Jesus! I don't think you're going to have too many volunteers on that department.
I was finally trying to get Karen to run.
I got the gaff with that.
It's the tiniest
Oh, jeez, that's tiny.
size of that shit.
Oh.
That's embarrassing.
Jeez.
On camera.
We've gone all that way for that
Let him
baby.
go. I feel guilty with that one. Wait, she's windy. That makes it wave.
Really jagged.
we've just had a couple of great days with Robert and Wendy, the parents of Matt from Matt and Jess of Nebula.
Yep. That we met in the Kimberleys.
Yeah, quite a few months ago now. So yeah, they were keen to come for a ride, so we've just sailed out of Streaky and all the way around, and we've come back into Sceale Bay after a night out. Had a great time with them.
So they had a chance to actually sail out with us, spend the night out and explore. We did a lot of fishing, got some whiting, which was really nice.
Yeah, Rob's a real keen whiting fisherman, and I used to fish a lot when I was in Adelaide. So yeah, we got a few whiting, which was great. And
I reckon Wendy's just as keen. So
yeah, Wendy's a keen fisherman.
Yeah, they're big fishers. So we had an awesome couple of days, which is nice to experience with other people and yeah, get to know them a bit more.
Yeah, awesome.